Hi, I'm Blythe Stevens. I've got my unicorn tank top on for Pride. I'm an MFA using she, they pronouns, Bliss Catalyst, and creator of a Blythe Coach, helping multi-passionate creatives dance through their difficulties and take leaps of faith into extraordinary lives of joy and fulfillment. Today we're focusing on the dancey part of a Blythe Coach and doing another Ballet Port de Bras. I have a whole series of Ballet Port de Bras that's coming together. We've done snowflakes and flowers and pine cones and raindrops, and now we're going to take on a very festive port de bras. This will be a firework port de bras. So that could be perhaps in honor of Independence Day coming up on 4th of July in America, or New Year's if you're watching this at a different time of year, or any festive time. Actually, living in Hawaii, there were firework shows for all sorts of special events. And so we're going to harness and embrace that explosive power, the beautiful displays of light in the darkness, and take a fireworks port de bras. My personal favorite fireworks are those chrysanthemum ones, which have usually in white or blue or purple, and they burst in a chrysanthemum or sort of a flowery shape. And then when the sparks, the last sparks of the firework come down, like a waterfall or a rain of sparkles. So these port de bras movements mimic that burst and then the little bit slower arcing, either going straight up or to the side. We experiment with slow and fast. So what you'll see me do is start with one arm and just bringing that through en bas, forward, first position in front, and then to second-ish. Just inscribing one of those arcs of the firework. And then I'll take it a bit higher, so in between devant and en haut, so sort of in between that. And then completely high in the air. And then I'll take the other arm low and middle and up. And then slowly coming down, even to a low level with plie, if you like, up through the center, even crossing as well, have that compact firework shape that's not yet burst as it's flying up through the air. And then it will burst and create that chrysanthemum, that umbrella shape as it comes back down. And then we could take that faster. I do so 4 times, bursting in air with joy. And then we'll go to one side. So we'll angle through the body in our épaulement, our shouldering. We'll go through the same big bursting movements to the one side, the other side, and to the middle. And then I'll change sides. So I'll start with the other arm, low, middle, and high, and switch. And then nice and slow from a low position, really curving over and compact into a big shape 4 times. And then to one side and the other side and to the middle, or experiment as you like. What are your favorite firework colors, shapes, and what's the best firework show that you've enjoyed? I would love to hear in the comments down below, and let me know how you like this firework port de bras. Thanks for playing along with this Fireworks Port de Bras. I'm glad you joined me, and I look forward to seeing you here again next time or in between on Instagram at a Blythe Coach.